Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SAMPATH YouTube channel. I recently purchased this Mi 11X and super response to my unbox video. Thank you one and all guys, and do comment down below what type of videos you required on this Mi 11X. I will be making such kind of videos. Feel free to comment down below, and one request is please subscribe to my channel if you are using Mi 11X or going to buy. I will make videos on this smartphone. In this video I am going to discuss about is this smartphone having really that black crush issue or the green tint issue. Let's see in this video. This is the Mi 11X. Some people complain and I made this jugaad because after applying this temper glass, if you use this in box given case, then here you'll get that uplifting of this temper glass. Hence I added some of the cardboard piece here on the two sides such that it won't come out, and I have ordered the case for Mi 11X. Until it comes, I have made this plan to make it, and this Mi 11X device. And into the about settings, I am on this latest version 12.5.5.0. If you see what's new, this is the version I have, enhanced version. If you are also the same version, then check out. And first thing I want to clear is the display settings. You have some of the options like AI image engine. Here it automatically get turned on. You need to disable it out if you don't use it. And in motion MEMC technology, that is also there. Now if I go into refresh rate, it's still on 120 Hz. Okay, now the black crush issue or the green tint issue, let me show you. Is it really there, or why it is going to happen? Now see, what happens is, if you use any media player, you have turned on this video toolbox option. In the style sections, there are options like vibrant color, HDR. If you enable HDR, as you can see, it's little bit black on the screen. If you use any non-HDR video playback, for example, this is non-HDR video what I made, and if you want to see this video in you enabled, let me show you. If you are enabled this kind of style like HDR or vibrant or something else, and also see, I am not facing any issue. In the video toolbox, there are plenty of options like style. Even the picture option is also given. Let me drag again. As you can see here, some of the options like enhance counters. In normal video, why we need all these things, isn't it? If you disable all these things and if you go into display settings and AI image engine, everything is turned off. Now if I shift to dark mode and go into full low brightness, I don't see any green tint issue here. If I even turn off this light also, let me show you. Even now also I don't see any green tint issue here. Let me lower the brightness. Here also I don't see any green tint issue. Maybe because of Android or the software update or something else, this issue might seen in some of the smartphones, but I don't have such any issue, green tint issue, even black crush issue. That's what my thinking of this issues. No need to be worried. I don't say it's actually a complaint, but if you guys really see it as a complaint, do comment down below, and also complain it in Twitter, and officially you can call to customer care of Xiaomi India and you can complain it out. If you really see green tint issue or any black crush issue, you might get solved the problem very soon. I don't think it had a problem. In my device I don't have any problem. The display is fantastic. I am the first time switching to this AMOLED display, but still the quality is extraordinary. I also purchased Oppo Reno 6 Pro. It also has AMOLED display. Both are very good displays. This one had 120 Hz refresh rate, which is really good, smooth smooth enough to handle everything, and coupled with that Snapdragon 870, we should not forget this, the killer smartphone with Snapdragon 870 under 20,000. Come on guys, no smartphone is offering under 20,000 Snapdragon 870, all the specs under 20,000. This is a steal deal. And I was checking some of the comments, some people are telling that my order not delivered it. I hope your order got delivered. If not, wait for some days, it will be get delivered, or complain it in Amazon Twitter. If you ordered from Amazon, or if you ordered from me.com, there is a chat section in the app itself. You can complain them why my order is getting delayed. And regarding like some people missed purchasing it in offer, I hope if there is enough stock, you might get in upcoming days deals. Definitely wait for that. If you are looking to buy this smartphone, then definitely wait for that. If enough stock is available, I'm again telling, if enough stock is available, then only you get it at this discounted price. Maybe something more, whatever it's going to there, you should wait for that. Yes, already that sale has completed, but let's wait up to Diwali and Diwali sale. And if you still not subscribed, please subscribe guys, and if you like the video, give it a like, and don't forget to share among your friends and family members who are looking around this price point a smartphone. This is a killer smartphone. That's no point in arguing that. For that price, what the current, in the offer price under 20,000, this is the best smartphone present in the current market. And do comment down below what all the different types of videos you want to see in this channel regarding this Mi 11X, and also feel free to ask the questions. I will answer them one by one. And thank you for watching. See you in the another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.